What do you got?
Kids, you tip.
Whoa! Down she goes.
Whoopsies.
That's why we have pads on the floor.
I know.
Lucy, which one's the giraffe? Oh, there's a little bear. Eat him.
Let me see. Watch this. Oh, it came from here.
Can you do that?
Dropped. Show Daddy how you can drop things. This, oh, say drop, drop, drop.
Good
Yeah.
girl. You are so smart.
Drop. Good. Dropped on your own. Dropped. Yep, we can keep playing that. Dropped. Yeah. Can you get it yourself? And dropped.
Yay! Watch out for tipping babies.
Dropped. That's our favorite new game.
That's a fun game.
Dropped.
Whoa! Tipped.
Drop. Drop.
Oh, good new stuff you know how to do. Sit up, drop, grab, fall.
Yeah. Dropped.